yeah, wham bam, thank you, ma'am. I love the wham bams. Here's my little turbine. Minimal cleanup on this guy, looks like. Pretty cool. Yeah, if you look on, it was on a sand cruiser, sand crawler. On the Cobb Vanth episode, when they picked him up, he was like dead, laying alongside the road. The Jawas picked him up, and then they show the Boba Fett's jetpack and suit there, and this was kind of hanging behind it. A lot of people were thinking that it was like a, those old slide projector reels that you put all your slides on and it kind of goes through. But no, it was a turbine. So, yep, I have this in my shop if you're interested. But I wanted to tape this just to tape it. I wanted to tape this just kind of me farting around here. I haven't done anything in a while. But I have a lot of footage and I don't share any of it because I'm kind of been into the 3D modeling world for a while, at least getting addicted to it, But I've been trying to build my Patreon up. Still doing what I like to do, but I really love 3D modeling now, and I've been 3D modeling and not so much making. But lately I've been trying to print out a lot. You could see back here I have a whole bunch of projects to do. I got Michelob Ultra boxes full of stuff to make on film. I just don't get around to it, Like when I first started this, when I first started Whitey's Wicked Workshop, it was during COVID, and I wanted to kind of get off my ass and start building the shop, and it seems like you do a 180 and you're right back up there sitting on your ass again. You know what I mean? So I'm trying to get back down here again more, or a little bit of 50-50. Do some modeling, then print. But I'm gonna have to start putting some of that footage together and editing, get some videos going. But I thought maybe you might like hearing me take these off of here. It's actually really pretty nice and clean. Yeah, I had no problems with it at all. Just the only supports are really like these tiny little sections here for the bottom piece, and just these right here. And they're coming off real good, except for that one. But yeah, so that's that. Just wanted to show you guys, kind of BS a little bit. I've been watching this guy. I was doing research for 3D printers, mainly the K2. And I started finding all these 3D print farms on YouTube, and started watching them. Then I found this dude called MK is 3D, I think it is. I'll put the link down below. But really cool dude. He's got a whole bunch of these Creality CR10 S5s, and his Etsy shop is like big stuff. He's got big sharks, Tyrannosaurus Rexes, all kinds of cool stuff. So I wanted to give a shout out to him. Ooh, look at that! I'm chewing up my finger. And I think for the rest I'll get a tool. And of course, I mean, you really don't even have to clean these up because it's in a spot where you won't even see this stuff. You know, it'll be hanging up on the wall. But for some reason, I still like to clean everything off. Make it clean. Yep. So that's that. Just wanted to say hi. And hope to see you soon.